Hey there, my name's Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. I've just received the iPad Mini 5. That's the updated version with the A12 Bionic processor. Because it's the Mini, it means it's a 7.9-inch Retina display. This one has 64 gigabytes of internal storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. But more importantly, it supports the Apple Pencil, the first generation of the Apple Pencil. Now I'm going to be doing a full review of these, but I thought before we get into that, I could do an unboxing video. So if you want to find out more, please let me unbox. Okay, let's start with the main iPad Mini. Here we see it, and we've got, okay, that's nice. Didn't even need the knife. That comes off pretty easily. Oh, I like that. That's good. Okay, let's get rid of that. So, anything to cut around here? No, we should be able to open this straight away. There we go. Let's open it up. Oh, and there it is. Look at this now. Oh, we'll just put that to side for 1 second. Let's see what else is in the box here. We've got the instructions. We've got the charger. Let's see whether we can read how many watts this is. Is it a high powered one? It says here output 5 amps at 5 volts at 2 amps. So that's a 10-watt charger. The lightning cable, of course, one thing I hate about Apple products, but we'll get into that when we do the full review. And that's it. The rest is just a plastic box. Okay, so let's put that lot all to the side for the moment. And let's actually have a look at the actual iPad. Again, this stuff comes off pretty easy. This is the space gray version. So look at that. That looks quite nice. We'll fire it up in a second and see what that looks like. This is the Wi-Fi and cellular version. So we'll be interested to stick a SIM card in here and see how that goes. Okay, let's just put that to one side and open up quickly this pencil. This doesn't have one of those tearaway. Oh, it does. Look at this. Come on, is that going to tear away? Come on. Yes, no? Not so easy. Let's just give it a bit. There we go. Let's just tear all that lot off. Okay. Oh, I see. This is the tab for pulling it out. Okay, designed by Apple in California. What else have we got in here? Oh, I see. The chargy things. Okay, so that'll be interesting later on. Okay, the pen tip. And then here is the pen itself. So we'll just keep that lot there. Okay, and that's got a plastic thing on it. Let's just take that off. Okay, well, it's quite heavy actually. I wasn't expecting it to be quite so heavy. Okay, well, we'll give that a play when we start it all up. Okay, so that's the initial unboxing. Let's fire it up and see what it says. Waiting, the Apple logo is there, booting up. Okay, so we'll just wait. Now, hello, press home to open. Okay, English. Okay, so let's just go around and do all this setup that you have to do. Okay, setting the language. Okay, so we come to the last bits of the setup now. I've been asked about true tone display. iPad automatically adapts to the ambient lighting. If you press here, it shows it's kind of much of a colder color and warmer when you take your finger off. So we'll leave that switched on for the moment. And here it's teaching me about how to use iOS. Quick access to the dock. Swipe up from the bottom edge. And then swipe up further to get to recent apps. And then quickly access controls by dragging down from the top right. Okay, these are good things to remember. Welcome to iPad. Get started. Okay, so there you have it, the familiar iOS interface. I'm going to spend the next few days getting used to this device, and then I'm going to do a full review. So there you have it, the iPad Mini 5 with the A12 processor in it, and this is the Wi-Fi and cellular edition. Okay, so there you have it. There is the unboxing of the new iPad Mini. Now, if you have any questions that you would like me to cover in the full review, please tell me in the comments below, except for please don't ask whether it can do a speed test G, because speed test G only runs on Android at the moment. Other than that, please do let me know what you think is important about the iPad Mini so I can cover that in the review. Other than that, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and well, that's it. I'll see you in the next video.